In this video, I will show you how you can sign any PDF document on any iPad. Now to sign a PDF document on your iPad, just open the Files app on your iPad, and after that, just open the PDF document which you want to sign. Now as you can see, this is the PDF document which I want to sign. Now from here, just scroll down. Now for example, I will sign the document over here. Now to sign the document, just tap on the autofill icon over here. And after you do that, this plus icon will appear on the screen. Then just tap on it. And from here, just select Add Signature. Now in this canvas, just draw your signature. Now if you want to use this signature, just tap on Done. But if you want to enter your signature one more time, just tap on Clear and enter your signature one more time. And once you're satisfied with your signature, then tap on Done. And from here, just place the signature to wherever you want. Just like that. Then just tap on anywhere on the screen to save. And as you can see, this is how you can sign any PDF document on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.